Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the worksheet 3 of application of percentage. Now coming to the fifth sum, Ranjan bought a second hand scooter for rupees 6,000. He spent 300 rupees on its repairs and sold it to Vineet at a profit of 10%. Vineet sold the scooter to Mukesh at a loss of 10%. At what price did Mukesh buy the scooter? It's a lengthy sum. So, three people are there. First is Ranjan, second is Vineet, and third is Mukesh. So, Ranjan buys a scooter and he spends some money over that and then he sells to Vineet and it is at a profit of 10%. And again Vineet will sell it to Mukesh at a loss of 10%, and now we have to find out the cost at which Mukesh bought it. Okay, तो तीन लोग हैं, पहला वाला रंजन, सेकंड विनीत और थर्ड मुकेश. ठीक है, अभी इधर हम रंजन का नाम लिखेंगे. ओके, रंजन क्या किया? ही बॉट अ सेकेंड हैंड स्कूटर, मीन्स CP of the scooter. कितना है? रुपीज 6,000. लेकिन अभी वो उसके ऊपर 300 रुपीज खर्चा किया. दैट इज अ ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेस. कितना है? रुपीज 300. तो एक्चुअल CP अभी कितना हो गया? रुपीज 6,000 प्लस 300. ठीक है, दैट इज रुपीज 6,300. सो ही सेल्स एट अ profit of 10%. Now profit percent is 10%. Okay, so here the actual CP you got how much? Rupees 6,300. Then profit percent is 10%. Okay, he sells it to Vineet. तो अभी सेलिंग प्राइस कितना आएगा? फाइंड आउट करो. SP of the scooter will be how much? Formula SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. CP how much? 6,300 into 100 plus profit percent is 10 upon 100. So it is 6,300 into 110 upon 100. 2020 cut. Rupees 0. 11 3s are 33, 11 6s are 66 plus 3 69. So you got the SP of the scooter to be 6,930. So either SP is rupees 6,930. अभी ये रंजन विनीत को बेचता है ना, तो जब विनीत उसको खरीदता है तब भी वो क्या बनेगा? CP. क्योंकि और वो फिर से बेच रहा है, तो इसका मतलब इसके लिए वो सीपी हो गया। सो रंजन के लिए जो एसपी था, अभी विनीत के लिए वो सीपी बन गया। कितना? ₹6,930। Now Vineet sold it to Mukesh at a loss percent of 10%. अभी इधर जो एसपी मिलता है तो वो मुकेश के लिए सीपी। At what rate Mukesh buys it, that is CP. So we have to find out the CP of the scooter for Mukesh. Is it okay? So we have to find this here, Vineet. For Vineet, the SP, how much you got? Now this SP now became CP of the scooter is equal to ₹6,930. Now the loss percent is 10%. Find out the SP. Formula CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. That is 6930 into 100 minus 10 upon 100. That is 6930 into 100 minus 10 is 90 upon 100. 1010 cut, 1010 cut. It is 9 3s are 27, 9 9s are 81, 82, 83, 9 6s are 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. So for Vineet, the SP is ₹6,237. Now it becomes the CP for Mukesh. This is the answer. So answer, Mukesh buys the scooter at ₹6,237. Hello students, hope everyone understood. We'll recollect again. So there are three persons. First is Ranjan, Vineet and Mukesh. रंजन एक ओल्ड सेकेंड हैंड स्कूटर खरीदता है, उसके ऊपर थोड़ा खर्चा करता है और उसको बेचता है। तो वो कितने से लिया, कितने में लिया? 6,000। एक्स्ट्रा खर्चा 300 किया, तो इसके लिए एक्चुअल सीपी अभी कितना बना? 6,300। और वो प्रॉफिट परसेंट में बेच दिया, 10% प्रॉफिट परसेंट में। ठीक है, तो इधर उसको वो बेचता है अभी, तो एसपी है ना, तो एसपी कितना आया? 6,930। रंजन विनीत को बेचता है, लेकिन विनीत रंजन से खरीदता है, तो विनीत के लिए ये एसपी बनेगा सीपी, क्योंकि वो खरीदता है, रंजन उसको बेचता है, तो ये रंजन बेचता है, इसके लिए उसको एसपी। विनीत उसको खरीदता है, इसके लिए वो सीपी। अभी वो फिर से मुकेश को 10% लॉस में बेच रहा है, तो इसके लिए 10% लॉस डालकर आप लोग एसपी फाइंड आउट करो, क्योंकि वो मुकेश को बेच रहा है। सो एसपी यू गॉट 6,237। तो क्वेश्चन क्या है? मुकेश कितने में उसको खरीदा, मतलब मुकेश के लिए वो सीपी बनता है ना, kharida, he purchased, he buys. So then it is CP. Hope the sum is clear for all. Little bit tricky, I know, lengthy sum. So mark this question. You have to write the revision 2 or 3 times, then it will be easy. Okay. Now coming to the next sum, it is a sixth sum. Is a man buys 2 pens at ₹20 each. एग्जाम्पल में बेडशीट वाला था, है ना, सो वैसे ही. सो अ मैन बाइज 2 pens at ₹20 each. He sells one at a gain of 5% and the other at a loss of 5%. Find his gain or loss percent. So first pen, second pen, buys means CP of the pen is equal to ₹20. Here also CP is equal to ₹20. On the first one he will gain, that is profit percent, is equal to 5%, but on the other loss percent 5%. To find gain or loss percent, first you have to find out gain or loss, and to find out gain or loss you want the SP. So find the SP of both. SP is equal to formula CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Here also write the formula and keep SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. Now put the values and solve. It is 20 into 100 plus 5 upon 100. It is 20 into 105 upon 100. So it is a 20 ones are 20 50s are, sorry 25s, sorry 20 ones are 25s are 100, 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10, 1s are 5. So answer is ₹21. So SP is ₹21. SP should be greater, profit percent. Now loss percent, put the value 20 into 100 minus 5 upon 100. It will be 20 into 100 minus 5 is 95 upon 100. 1s are 5s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 5, 4 remains 9, that is ₹19. So here you got SP 21, here you got SP 19. Okay, now find the total, the overall transaction we have to see, isn't it? So write total CP of 2 pence is equal to 20 plus 20, है ना, it is ₹40. Total SP of 2 pence rupees, we got 21 and 19. Add 1 plus 9, 10, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. That means CP is equal to SP. Therefore, no profit, no loss. Answer, there is no profit, no loss. Looking at the sum itself, you can understand. See, profit percent is also 5%, the loss percent is also 5%, CP is same. Then it will be, there won't be any profit or loss. But you have to solve the sum and show. So first, write first pen, second pen, CP of the first pen, CP of the second pen. First, profit percent 5%, loss percent 5%. Put the formulae and put the values and then find out the SP for both. Then total CP of both the pens, total SP of the both the pens. Then find out whether it is profit or loss. This was comparatively easy, isn't it? But a lengthy sum. Okay, bye. Thank you.